I can't imagine a better thing than gliding through Arctic waters. Silent, no emissions, nothing. Looking at the wildlife and nature, and that's what we're going to do.
We are here at Svalbard because we have delivered our first hybrid solution for real operation to Hurtigruten Svalbard. The challenges with this project has been to adapt our solution to the environment on Svalbard. The very cold temperature, the windy climate, and also the salty water. On this solution we have designed a different mode, and we have one mode that is electric, where you will operate this boat on pure electric engines. And this is for the low speed maneuvering, when you will be able to explore the nature here at Svalbard without disturbing the environment. The unique part with this boat, and what we have been working very hard to maintain, is that we should have the feature from the combustion engine. So we have the top speed and the acceleration in combination with the DPI drive and the grip in the water. But we also have the electric engine, where we actually can maneuver and operate the boat in low speed without any sound at all.
It's meant to take our guests to see the beautiful nature of Svalbard and our surroundings at sea, wildlife and nature, and you can sort of hear things you don't hear elsewhere. Sound of glacier ice in the water, this popping sound. The breath of walruses. I think that will be a perfect platform to do that.
I'm the boat driver and the guide is sitting next to me and handling all the passengers. So we're really looking forward to show them what Svalbard is all about. It was really smooth to drive it, and everything is equipped with the latest technologies. This is a really nice boat to drive.
It feels very safe and maneuverable in the joystick technology. And combining that with the electric engines makes it sort of even better, because it's totally silent and you just glide away, sort of. It's nice. So I was really excited when the boat came here to both see it and get inside and try. So it's been quite a journey these 4 years, but a really good one.